Kia ora mai tātou. This is my new romi and epana ke roto I te moana. So it's about being things in the sea, creatures in the sea, marine life in Aotearoa. And the first thing, of course, is tangaroa. So ko tangaroa te atua o te moana. And I suggest that before starting this, reading the book on rangi and papa is essential, and talking about kaitiakitanga, so guardianship of the sea, and how important it is to us. So these are some beautiful wall labels of each of these creatures, and this is in Māori and English, but it also comes in Māori anake for people who just like having te reo Māori on the walls. So the next thing after this, having identified some of these creatures, would be this really cool waiata that in a lot of my courses we've done before, and everyone's had lots of fun with it. So it's called Ke roto I te moana. And what happens with this is that the tamariki make action songs for the different creatures, and the song is an ongoing one with however many creatures you want to include in the song, in the waiata. The tune is like this. Ke roto I te moana. Ke roto I te moana. Ko tangaroa. Ko tangaroa. Ke roto I te moana. He ika. He ika. Ke roto I te moana. He pāpaka. He pāpaka. And you go through the various creatures, and all these creatures come in this size, which is A3, but they can be blown up into an A4. And what I like to do is make a little book, well actually this is a big book in the scrapbook, of all of these things, so that when I've finished this topic, this can go in the library corner and we can use it again for reading. The tamariki like going through the waiata and identifying all of the fish and things inside here. So that's a good way of keeping it again for the next time you do this topic. Okay, so after, depending on the age group, after doing those, the waiata and identifying the creatures, this is a really cool little puka puka. He aha tēnei, what's this? He ika, he korora, he koura, he pāua, he kina, he rimu, he pātangaroa, he whai, he wheke, he pāpaka. Now depending, he aha tēnei here, and the tamariki can put their own creature there or their favourite. Now depending on the age group or how many pages you want to do, you know, they're not numbered, so you can actually just do 4, 8 or 12. Those. And we've got the same thing with the waiata, so this could maybe be for another year group, year 2, 3, 4, Ke roto I te moana. The rest of it, there's the whakatoki ko te rā mā ene, te rāhui tangaroa. On a calm day, tangaroa rests. And that comes with the English translation and also te reo Māori anake. Here's tangaroa, all living things in the sea are my children. And again, the tamariki can illustrate that. There's another page with translations, crab, pāpaka for colouring in. And lastly, little flashcards. And they can be matched with these words, these names, and then also you can make 2 lots of them, and the tamariki could make a memory game. Now with everything I like to keep a box, and I put all of these things in afterwards, and it means that when we've finished the topic, we've got that box of resources that the tamariki can go to in reading time, and they can reread about all the things that we sang and we learnt. Kia ora.